On October 2020, there was a peaceful protest staged by the youth across Nigeria, tagged the Endsars protest, which was mobilized through different social media platforms to protest against the brutal and unlawful activities of SARS in the state. As this peaceful protest progresses, it was hijacked by Hoodlums, which led to massive destruction of properties across the state. These Hoodlums were looting and burning down shops, destroying ATMs, burning down banks, destroying shopping malls, and burning down state buses, to mention a few. According to the Lagos State Governor, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, the reconstruction of the state will cost ₦1 trillion due to the damages caused by these hoodlums. This brings us to the topic of today. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank God it's Friday. Who likes my drag? Oh, I'm so fine. I'm so fine. Anyway, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing my video, kindly hit the subscribe button down below this video. You can also share with your friends and family. Yeah, and for those who already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. Thank you. I love you. Hey God, I have a nice voice. Hey God, someone need to sign me, honestly. So let's talk about how the just concluded Endsars protest has affected the almighty insurance companies. How has it affected them? Let's talk about insurance company in Nigeria on its own. I don't want to talk too much. Yeah. Number one, very obvious, very evident. What did I say? Okay, number 1 point is there will be massive claim payments. Hey, insurance company, but people they pepper them now, because they have a lot of basic, a lot of people to pay right now, so they'll be so tensed right now. In normal ground, nobody was expecting this protest anyway, so the destructive nature of the protest was crazy. So the insurance company, if an insurance company is not strong enough, they will go bankrupt or they fold up at this point in time. So this is one of the impact of the just concluded Endsars protest hijacked by Hoodlums on the insurance company. It's going to affect them a lot. They have a lot of people to pay rather. So, and number 2 point is they will have little or no capital to invest in other businesses. Every insurance company wants to become big. They want to expand in other things, because there are some insurance companies that they don't base only on insurance. They're into oil and gas, real estate, different kind of things. That's how they generate money and all that. Do you know that you're saving money with the insurance company? Maybe you're saving money in the insurance company. When you save money in insurance company, they'll tell you at this point in time you're going to get like 20% interest rate on your savings. By in the next 5 years, you get like 10 million naira and all that. Where do you think the money is coming from? Where do you think the money is coming from? This is what they do. They take your money when you save with them. Mr. A saves, Mr. B, Mr. C saves. They could take all this money, yes, and invest in other businesses in which they get profits and pay you interest rates on the money you're saving with them. So they are using your money to invest. They get money. After getting profit there, they don't pay your interest rates. That's how they do it. And in this case, now you're not saving money anymore because you're affected by your shop was destroyed, or your property was destroyed, or your car, where you park your car, where you sell your car, everything was damaged by it. So you may not have, as an insured, you may not have money to continue saving. So if you don't save, what will happen? It's going to affect the insurance company. You see what I'm talking about? It's going to affect them, because they may not be able to invest in other businesses because people are not saving money anymore, because the just concluded Endsars protest has affected them. You get what I'm trying to say? So that is it. Number 3 point is that, hey, what happened to my nose? It renders the insurance. Number 3 point is it renders the insurance company incompetent in terms of responding to claim, which leads to lack of trust in the insurance company. Hey, what happened to my eyes? Oh, you get what I'm trying to say? It renders them incompetent enough due to the massive claim. Yeah, you get what I'm trying to say? An insurance company that is not strong enough to attend to the massive claim on ground might fold up. Yeah, and some might delay your claim, your payment of your claim. It's not their fault. You know now. It's not their fault they're not paying you this claim. It's just the situation around. So understand. So because of the delay in claim, it will render the insurance company incompetent enough because they can't pay everybody at the same time. They'll be stressed out already. You get what I'm trying to say? So this is one of the ways it's the just concluded Endsars protest that was hijacked by the Hoodlums can affect the insurance company. So let's talk about how the just concluded Endsars protest affected the insurance salesperson. So who is the insurance salesperson? Who do you think the insurance salesperson is? It's me! I am the insurance salesperson. How the just concluded Endsars protest affected me? Okay, the insurance salesperson is someone who engage and educate people on insurance. So I'm an insurance salesperson. Yeah. So I want to talk about how has it affected me. How? In what way? Number one point is like inability and strong reservation to educate and engage the public on the benefit of insurance. You get what I'm trying to say? During this Endsars protest, yeah, the main thing people were talking about was how Nigeria is going to move forward. That was the sole purpose of the protest. Yeah, people were not even uploading their pictures on social media to show you how serious it is. People were scared to even upload because they feel like if you upload pictures, you look so unserious. Like, it was after the protest, people were now uploading. So it doesn't make sense for me to now go there and start saying, buy insurance, buy insurance. Some people be like me. What is she saying? So there was no room at the protest ground to start talking about insurance like that. So it will limit me, it will limit it will limit or dampen my morale to even say, okay, I want to educate this person. You get what I'm trying to say? Because everyone's Endsars protest. Yeah, it's good. I love it. Okay. So the second point is it increases non-commitment to work. That's number 2 point. Because during the Endsars protest, there was a curfew. I think Buhari announced that everybody should stay indoor, that there will be a curfew and all that. Even the Lagos state government announced that too, so everybody was indoor. We were watching everything from our phones. Some were out there protesting. Yeah, so many things were happening during this period. So the thing is that if you stay out of your job for a long time, it increases laziness, non-commitment to work. Even when you resume to go to work, it will be a problem. You get what I'm trying to say? So that is it. Number 3 point is absent or low reports of customers' experiences. As a salesperson, when you go out to market people, you get customers' experience, what they need, what they don't like, customers' needs, customers' complain and all that. But during the Endsars process that was hijacked by Hoodlums, you can't go out there and say you won't start talking to people, let alone have customers' experience. What experience you want to have? The experience you will have is they will enjoy your head. That your coconut head, when they hear, they go enjoy your head. They will enjoy your eyes. Your eyes go swell like this. So if someone will get sense, don't go out, say you want to go have customers experience what they need. You go chop cane. So in that way, when you don't go out to prospect people, the atmosphere is not good enough for you to prospect people at that point in time. You will have low customers experience. Yeah, definitely. And also you'll not be able to report to your boss. Everybody has, people they report to at work. You get, so there will be low reports when you don't prospect people and talk to people. How will you get reports? that this is how my customers behave, this is what they want and all that. So there'll be little or no report of customers experience. Yeah, because me personally, when I do my activity for the week, month or year, I have someone I'm reporting to. This is what I've done. These are people that are buying insurance. These are people that don't want insurance. They're buying on this day. They're not buying on this day. They are buying here. They're buying tomorrow. That's what I'm trying to say. So that is it. And number 4 point is decrease in production. Decrease in production, low commission, and low allowance. So this is it. When you don't produce as a salesperson because of what is happening out there during the Endsars protests, we know the atmosphere was not good. When you don't produce, what happens? Your production decreases. Although there's some people you can talk to on phone, but it's not as effective as talking to someone eyeball to eyeball. You get what I'm trying to say now? There's some people you talk to on phone, you can still earn some things. Okay, have a production of like let's say 20,000 naira and all that. And on the usual ground, when there was no protest and all that, you are making production of about 1 million. You can see how the just concluded Endsars protest, hijacked by Hoodlums, has affected the insurance salesperson. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you don't enjoy, you have to enjoy it by force. Yes, it's by force. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you enjoyed my video, kindly hit the subscribe button down below this video. You can also share my video with your friends and family. Yes, and tell them to subscribe too, because there are more videos coming, educative and engaging videos coming soon. So thank you guys.